Ready? My turn first. Array. Rows and columns. Array. Rows and columns. Do it with me. Ready? Array. Rows and columns. Array. Rows and columns. Good job. Here's the second part. Rows go left to right and columns go up like this. Do it with me. Rows go left to right and columns go up like this. Nice job. Boys and girls, look at your popsicle sticks. We're going to really focus on this vocabulary today. Find the rows side. Do you see how it goes left to right, like movie seat rows? You know how you find a row when you go to the movies? And then turn to the other side. It should be red. Find the columns that go up like this. Show your partner rows. Rows go left to right and columns go up like this. Nice job. We're going to use those today. Boys and girls, look at the array on your whiteboard. Right now, our array is very squished together. I am going to make a little space in between my rows. You can do the same thing so I can see them more clearly. You can do the same thing with your popsicle stick on the row side. And let's separate our rows so we can see them clearly. Use your rows popsicle stick to help you. Make sure you're on the row side. Use your rows popsicle stick to help you see the rows. Nice job. Can you stick your row popsicle stick in there? Nice job. Can I help you? All right. As you finish, I'd like you to think about how many rows are there. Just think that and be ready. How many rows do we have? When you have an idea, give me a silent thumb. How many rows are there? Finish up separating your rows. Good job using your popsicle stick. What side is our popsicle stick on right now, boys and girls? Rows go left to right. Boys and girls, how many rows are there? 4. If a row is an equal group, what's a row? Equal group. What's a row? An equal group. How many equal groups do I have? Think. Everybody? 4. How could I label how many are in, I'm sorry, let me ask another question. How many Fruit Loops are in each row? Count them now. How many Fruit Loops in each row? Everybody? 5. I'm going to label each row with how many Fruit Loops are in each row. You may do that on your whiteboard too. Do that now. On the side?
Yeah. Does that give you more?
How many 5s will I have, boys and girls? How many 5s will there be? 4. Check and see. Thanks for listening to directions. Good job. Check with the partner, see if you agree. All right. Classy class.
Yes.
I would like you to talk to your elbow partner. How could we find how many Fruit Loops are all together without counting them one by one? Talk to your partner. How did you find how many are in the whole array? Do you agree or disagree? Can you think of a different way to do it? How would that sound? See if your partner agrees with you. Finish up your thinking in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Class?
Yes.
I would like somebody to share with me their strategy. Yes, sir? What did that sound like? Thank you. Any other way?
Add 5 and 5 is 10, plus 5 and 5 is 20.
Okay. Is there a number sentence, a few of you wrote a number sentence or an equation that we could write to show this array, the total in this array?
10 plus 10 equals 20.
I could if I was If I was putting two rows together, absolutely. How would I write a number sentence if I was going to have each row separate?
5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5.
How many fives do I need?
4.
Oh. Sorry about that. You're still cool, Mrs. H. Oh, thank you. Mistakes are how we learn, right? To be very precise and be very careful. Does anybody know what kind of equation or number sentence that's called? I'm not sure if you've already learned it. Boys and girls, that's repeated addition. What's that number sentence called?
Repeated addition.
Repeated means over and over.
Repeated means over and over.
And then, of course, addition is to add, right? All right, I would like you to erase and push your array back together. Erase and push your array back together so it looks back like mine. Do that in 5. Excuse me. Do that in 4. You can use your popsicle sticks. You're cool. You're still cool. You can fix it. It's kind of tricky, huh? All right. As you're finishing up, now we are going to get our column side. Columns go up like this. So turn your popsicle stick over to the column side. It's red. What do you think we're going to do now? I bet some of you are making a prediction. What do you think we might do now?
We are going to flatten it like that.
Yeah, put it back into an array. Sure.
Make it a column.
Now we're going to separate the columns. Give her a 5-finger woo. Woo! Now I'd like you to use your popsicle stick to separate out your columns. Be thinking about how many columns there are. Do that in 10. Separate out your columns. Do that in 9. Nice job. Will you coach your team, please? Yep, he's going to be a coach. Will you coach your team, please? Will you coach your team, please? So look at the, what do you know about columns? Oh, that's right. So you did a great job separating your rows. But we, right now, are going to look for the columns that go up and down. Can you do that? Awesome. I'll be back to check it out. All right. Nice job. Thumb when you know how many columns there are. Nice job. Very precise. Nice job. Make sure on your column side of your popsicle stick, how many columns are there? Whisper it in your hand. Hold it up. Let it out.